Have you ever wondered why websites ask for permission before tracking your data? It's because of laws like the Directive 2002/58/EC, also known as the ePrivacy Directive. This law was introduced by the European Union in 2002 to protect people's privacy and security when using digital communication, like emails, websites, and mobile networks. As technology evolved, personal data became more valuable. Companies started tracking users for ads, and cyber threats increased. The ePrivacy Directive was created to give you control over your online information. What does it protect? Personal data and online privacy. Websites must ask for your consent before collecting cookies or tracking your online activity. That's why you see pop-ups asking for permission. Communication security. Your calls, emails, and messages are protected. No one can intercept them without your permission, ensuring your conversations remain private. Protection from spam and unwanted marketing. Hate spam emails and robocalls. This law makes sure businesses can't send you marketing messages without your approval. Location tracking control apps and companies must ask before tracking your location. You have the power to decide who knows where you are. Why does this law matter? The internet is a powerful tool, but without privacy rules, our data could be misused. The ePrivacy Directive ensures that companies respect your choices and keep your personal information safe. So, the next time you see a privacy pop-up or a location request, remember, this law is working to protect you. Stay private, stay safe,